Meet the most neighbourhood-friendly 36-volt leaf blower on the market. This is the 36-volt brushless HP whisper blower from RYOBI. It uses innovative technology to reduce its noise output without any loss of power. So whilst it's big on power, it's small on noise. What gives this blower its ability to shift large piles of dry leaves and debris is its powerful 36-volt HP brushless motor. It's also got a turbo button for an on-demand burst of even greater power. This variable speed trigger provides extra control, so you'll have your gardens, decks and lawns cleared in next to no time. Axial or jet fan blowers like this powerful 36-volt model are ideal for large gardens with wide spaces. They're great for cleaning up grass clippings on driveways, clearing big decks, and for rounding up leaves for your compost. The 36-volt whisper blower uses the same batteries that power a range of RYOBI garden tools. Perfect if you need a bit more power or longer battery runtime to clean up a big area. So if you want the power of a jet blower, but not the noise of a jet taking off, get one of these RYOBI whisper blowers. And if you're getting woken up early on a Sunday morning, maybe think about getting your neighbours one too.
RYOBI, a cut above.